Is it recording? Okay, say hi, Pam. Okay, y'all, we in Nebraska. Where we at? Omaha. Omaha, Nebraska. And we going to the thrift store. Let me turn around so y'all can see. Girl, I just put some balm on, lip balm. We going to the Salvation Army. I'm gonna let y'all see how Nebraska popping with they thrift stores. We gonna find out. I know I look a little busty. Y'all don't have on no makeup, so y'all don't judge me. But my hair cute because I flexi rodded it last night. So we gonna thrift today, and I'll show y'all everything that we get. You gonna get some good stuff, Pam?
I'm gonna try to find me some goodies.
Okay. All right. We keep y'all updated. We damn sure could have walked, but whatever.
But I needed to save my feet for.
What? Oh, yeah, you got on heels. Never mind. Well, I forgot. Huh? Yeah. Never mind. We'll just call them. I forgot you had on heels. That's why another reason, because I was thinking to get some heel boots, but then I was like, nah, because I could wear my boots anywhere. And you.
Right. That was neat, Daddy. I okay, like so it can.
Oh, it's a big ass grip. Do it. Come on.
It showed a different step.
Come on, jump. You talking about?
Only because I do a chick.
Hold up. See?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Thank you. We appreciate it. Nina? Oh, she took multiple ones.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
You know, why not just keep clicking it?
Yeah. the ones that aren't cute. Thank you, we appreciate it. Yeah, it's a good area. You ready?
Yeah. Look, I turned the wrong way.
Don't
Okay,
fall.
do it like this.
Hold on. Okay, okay. Okay, go. Swerve.
I'm frustrated because I'm stuck in the middle and I'm the only one who talks to both sides. I wrote to Dr. Phil because our family is broken, it's divided, and I don't know what to do anymore. All of us feel like we've been just thrown away.
And we said that the range here is from 6 to 27.
Yes,
And we have 6 children that are still at home.
yes.
So there are 6 little ones that are kind of caught in the crossfire of this thing, right? So we'll talk about that. All right, now Whitney says her parents, Scott and Linda, have been fighting dirty.
Well, German, I think that I stopped. You get up, you get the kids ready for school, you drive them to school, and you kiss them goodbye. And you go home and you go back to bed. You think that you're already dead. You're alive, but you're breathing, but you're already dead. It's been like that for 4 years.
Hey guys, so I'm here at the thrift store in Omaha, Nebraska, and we're about to see exactly what we can get. Let's see. I've been here before and I didn't really get anything good, so I'm hoping that I can get some good stuff this time around. I'll see you guys inside. Hey guys, so I'm in the thrift store in Omaha, Nebraska, and we're gonna go ahead and see what we can find. I've been here before. We'll see what they have. But I've been here before. We'll see what they have this time around. Hopefully it's better. Alright guys, let's do it. I didn't get that much stuff, but I got good stuff. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'll see you when I get back to my hotel room. See you in a bit. Hey guys, so I got some good stuff on this shopping spree. Thrift haul. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. I'm so excited with the things that I got. I got some really good stuff. I didn't get that much. I only got 3 things, but there are 3 good things. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what I got. So what I got from the Salvation Army. The first thing I got is this sparkly jacket. This jacket is so sparkly. Let me show you guys the detailing. Look how sparkly this jacket is. It is so nice. So I got this jacket from the Salvation Army and it was $6.99. $6.99, and I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how this camera focuses, but $6.99, then it was half off. So I think I got it for, I mean, not I think, but I got it for $3.49. So let me show you guys how this looks. This is so cute. I love this little jacket. I love the fit on it. Like, it fits so nice. So cute. Like, this will be cute with some little, look at the back. This would be cute with some little shorts or whatever to go with. Like, this is very cute. I really like this jacket. You can tell that this jacket is like from the 80s or something like that. Like, look at the detailing. It's like such a nice, very nice jacket. And it's something really fancy. And I only got it for $3.99. So that was a good buy. Shirt I like is really cute because it's really giving me tropical vibes. And I really like how the green in this color is, I mean, in this shirt, it's like a Kelly green. And I really like Kelly green. That's like my second favorite color. Green, emerald green is my first favorite green. But this shirt is so cute. I love the pattern on this shirt. It's so cute. This will be cute with some ripped up jean shorts or even the ripped up jean skirt. You could, you know, just button it down, wear it like a button down, or you can just tie it up, whatever you feel. Either way, it's a really cute top. So this is really cute, and I felt like this was a good buy. This shirt, I believe, was like $2.99, so that was a real good buy. It's real nice material, just like a blouse material, and the pattern is really nice on this. Thing of all time, this is like the favorite thing I've ever gotten in any thrift store haul. This is a army fatigue jumpsuit. I thought that I wasn't going to be able to fit this jumpsuit because actually this jumpsuit came out of the men's department. This is a size medium in men's, and I thought that I was going to be able to fit it because sometimes men's clothes run a little bit smaller than what they you would think. Like you would think, okay, I'm a large in women, I should be able to fit a medium in men's, but that's not always the case. Sometimes a medium is men, and men's might be even smaller than the large in women's. That's just how it works. So I thought I wasn't gonna be able to fit this, but I was. Let me show you guys. It's so cute. Like, I can just think it's like endless possibilities with this jumpsuit. I could add patches. I could roll up the sleeves on this jumpsuit. I could, man, I could like rip it up at the bottom. There's literally like endless things that I can do with this jumpsuit. Like, the zipper goes all the way down so I can show some cleavage if I want to. I can zip it up if I want to. Like, the possibilities are endless. This jumpsuit was $5.99. I got from the thrift store. I've gotten 3 things total from this thrift store in Omaha, Nebraska. This thrift haul was a little bit better than the last time that I came here. They did have some brooches that I wanted to buy, but then they were like, oh, you gotta buy the whole bag, and the whole bag was $19.99. I'm like, I'm not buying the whole bag. Like, I just wanted one brooch out of the bag, and they were like, no, you got to buy the whole bag. So that stayed there. I felt like I could have put a brooch right here on this jumpsuit, and that would have been really cute. But they didn't want to sell the bag. I mean, just one brooch. They wanted to sell the whole bag, and that was just unreasonable. So yeah, this video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, you guys. Peace.